Hello friends, let's create this X-Wipe text effect. And as always, let's get right into it. I put some footage on my timeline and a text with a drop shadow. So the first thing what I'm do is I go to the beginning of my text. Then I'm going to the effects library, and in the effects library I go to the video transitions, and here I go to the wipe area department, as I always call it, and then I grab my X-Wipe and put it on the beginning of my text. I drag it a little bit longer, and then I want to have a look what it does. I think actually that the sharp edges are really nice in this case, but however, I want to make them a little bit softer by feathering them. And I don't go too crazy because I don't think, it works, but in this case, I just want to soften it a tiny bit, so I go with a tiny bit of feathering. Then I'm going to set the ease to out. I'm going to hit Alt on the keyboard and drag this transition to the end of my text, where I then click on ease and change it to in. As always, I put a link to a video where I explain why this is. So, and now let's have a look at the whole thing in full screen. And I think, yeah, beautiful. I hope you have a lot of fun with this, and please let me know what you think in the comment section. Consider subscribing and have a great day ahead. Goodbye.